Hi, welcome to my channel. My goal is to help you save, manage, and grow your money. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and let me know down in the comments that you just subscribed and I'll comment back. This week is my weekly Target haul from March 24th through the 30th. We'll be taking advantage of the spend 50, get a $15 gift card, a lot of cleaning supplies to help with spring cleaning, and also laundry supplies. We'll be taking advantage of some other gift card deals as well. A lot of clearance and some seasonal items, so stay tuned to the end. First item here is the Clorox Toilet Wand Disinfectant Refill Disposable Heads. There's 10 in a box. They're $6.99 each. There's a rebate over on Swagbucks for $3 on 2. And then in the Target Circle app, if you scan the item, you'll see that these attach to the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. So 2 of these will cost us $13.98, minus the rebate will cost us $10.98 for both. And the next up is the Clorox Laundry Sanitizer. This is the same type of deal. They're $6.99 each. You get 2 of them. There's a Swagbucks deal for $5 back on 2. If you scan this in the Target Circle app, you'll see that it attaches to the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. This is great for laundry items. It sanitizes them, gets the smell out of the items, refreshes them. 2 of those are going to cost you $13.98 minus the $5 rebate. That'll equal $8.98 after the rebate and before the gift card for both. All right, the next item up is this Persil, and it's 100 fluid ounces and it handles about 64 loads of laundry. It goes for $13.69. And I'll go ahead and scan it in the Target Circle app here. And I know it should connect to the gift card. Spend 50, get a $15 gift card. And there's also a $2.50 coupon within the Target Circle app that you can clip. So after the coupon, you'll pay $11.19 at the register. And then this will also be part of the get a $15 gift card back. So it'll make it even cheaper. Next up is this Arm & Hammer Clean Burst Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's $9.59. And I went ahead and I scanned this into the Target gift card, the Target Circle app, and just to make sure that it counted towards the gift card, and it did. Also to make sure there's no coupons. And then I went ahead and scanned it in the Ibotta app, and there was a $5 rebate that attached towards it. So after the rebate, I ended up paying $4.59 for the laundry detergent, and it's up to 105 loads. So this is a huge bottle. Go ahead and grab this and have it count towards that $15 gift card this week. It's a great item to grab. All right, this is my spend 50, get a $15 gift card household deal that I did. And it ended up being $51.24. There was a $2.50 Target coupon in the app, $13 submitted to the rebate apps, and then I got a $15 gift card. It ended up being $20.74, a 40% savings overall, and it ended up being $3.46 per item. This is an excellent deal, especially if you have teenagers in the house that are just starting to shave. Dollar Shave Club has an acne-friendly razor starter set. It's a 3 count. I scanned it in the Target Circle app, and it's $9.99. There's a promotion, buy two, get a $5 Target gift card. There's also a $3.50 Target Circle coupon that attaches to it. And then in Ibotta, there's a $2.50 Ibotta rebate per purchase. So you can purchase multiple rebates on the Ibotta app. So I got two for $19.98. And I got $3.50 coupon in the Target Circle app, $5 for my Ibotta, and then the $5 Target Circle gift card. So it made this a great deal. You can use this for an Easter basket item, or just a gift to give to somebody, or something to give to your son or a nephew that's just starting to learn how to shave or needs some shaving items. So speaking of razor deals, I turned the corner and there was a clearance section. And these razors were on clearance for $3.49. I scanned them in the Target Circle app, and there was a $4 coupon that was attaching to it. So I threw it in my cart, and when I checked out, it ended up being, the coupon zeroed out the amount. So it lowered down, and I ended up paying $0 for this item. This next one's an interesting clearance find as well. This is from Beloved, and they have bath products. So these are bath bombs, and also they have bath body wash as well on the clearance shelves, but these were scanning in for $2.49, and they attached to a spend $25, get a $5 gift card. And there was also a fetch offer for $1.50. So if you got 11 of these for $27.39, you could get the $5 gift card, $1.50 on fetch. That made them $1.90 each, which is a 62% savings. These are usually $4.99 each. I put my fetch code in case you want to sign up. Then they have this metal mesh rolling patio bar cart. It's perfect for outdoor entertainment. And they had a lot of Stanley cups on there, pitchers, cups, and drink mixers. So adorable. Then they have the iconic 1980s Lego Atari game set. It has over 2,500 pieces, coming in at $191.99. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave me a comment and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see more of, or if there's anything that you'd like me to bring to the next video. I'll leave links to my rebate apps. You'll get sign-up bonuses if you use those links. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.